Hello my friends, welcome to another video of my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about TimePicker. For this I've built a new project and I called it TimePicker example. Okay, let's go to activity_main, to the codes, and here I will add a TimePicker with this wrap content and hide wrap content, and let's do the rest into the design section. As you see, it looks like analog clock, so I don't like this view. I prefer to have a digital version. For this I'm gonna write here mode, and here I have TimePicker mode. I have two options, either on clock version, which will be this one, or the spinner, and by choosing the spinner it will be changing to the digital view. Now I'm gonna connect it to the constraint. Okay, in this project I will show in a real time the time of the TimePicker in this text view. First of all, if you don't know how to use the text view, I have a video, so I'm gonna put the link of this video here onto the top of the page, and you can watch that and then come back to this video. Let's increase a bit the text size of the text view to be more visible. That's good, I think. Okay, now we need two unique IDs for the TimePicker and the text view. Okay, let's go back to the Kotlin. First of all, as always, I'm gonna initialize the variables for TimePicker. Okay, I'm gonna call it TP dot equals to find view by ID, the type TimePicker, and the name dot ID dot TimePicker. I'm gonna duplicate this line by pressing Ctrl D, and text view, the type text view again, and ID text view. Okay, let's call the TimePicker and set the function setOnTimeChangedListener to take the time of the TimePicker. I'm gonna use the second one. Okay, here I have two values, and automatically after any time that we are changing the time of the TimePicker, the hour of the TimePicker will be located into this value, and the minute will be located into this value. So by taking these two and displaying on the text view, we can see the time of the TimePicker. So txt dot text equals to dollar hour of day, double dot, and dollar minute. Now let's check it on emulator. Okay, you see real time. When I'm changing the time of the time picker, it will be displayed on the text view. But here I have the AM PM mode, but here into the text view I have the 24 hours type. So if you want to change this to AM PM mode, I will write some codes here to do this, and you can use these codes if it's necessary for your project. First of all, I have to mention that these two values are the value type, so these are fixed and I cannot reassign them again. That's why I need to build a variable, and I'm gonna call it hour and equal to hour of day. Then I need a variable, a string type, and I'm gonna call it format. For now it's empty. Then I have to check if the hour is larger or equal to 12. Change the format to PM, and again if the hour is not equal to 12, hour will be minus equal 12. Okay, and then else format will be equal to AM. Then here I have to change this to hour, and then I need the format. Okay, let me explain this code for you. As you see here, when the time is on AM, and it will be showing 7:25 for example, and when the number will be greater than 12, we want to subtract 12 digits from this, and it will be 3 PM. So I'm gonna do it here. But what is this line? If the time is 12, it will be showing here 12:25. If I comment this line, this will be 0:25. So we don't have this time, 0:25 PM. That's why I wrote this line, to avoid doing this. Now let's check it on emulator. Okay, 2 PM, 1 PM, 12 PM, 11 AM, and that's good. Now we can add something more to this code. As you see here, 3:8 PM. But here we have 08, and here we can have also 03. So I think it will look better if we add 2 zeros here. So for this we have to check if the digits are greater than 9 or maybe smaller than 10, then we have to add the 0 to them. For this I'm gonna write these codes. Outside of the onCreate, I'm gonna build a function and call it add 0. I need a variable here, the type integer, and the type of our function is a string itself. Then return if the num is smaller or equal to 9 and show a 0, then dollar number. Else the number itself should be changing to the string and will be shown. Okay, now we have to add this function into this text. For this we need to write the name of the function as 0, and we have to send this hour here as the integer, then the process will be done on it and the result will be returned. And for this double dot, I'm gonna put it in the double quotation with a space in the right side and a space into the left side. The same for the minute. Again, add 0. And for the format, I need this here and one space before it. Then here I need a plus. Here I need a plus, and also here at the end. Okay, let's check it on emulator. Okay, 04:45 p.m. and okay, 08:02 p.m. Okay, that was everything about TimePicker. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your support. Please, if you find any value in this video, give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe the channel if you are new in my channel, and share the video with your friends. Have a good day. See you in next videos. Bye bye.